Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. While we are in the midst of a long India tour, we have reached the exotic heritage state of Telangana. In this video, we will analyze the upcoming 5 biggest mega projects planned by the state as well as central administration so as to meet the aspiring needs of the youth and shape the story of overall holistic development in the majestic region. Before that, if you're new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to smash the like button. Telangana is a state in South India situated on the south central stretch of the Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. On 2nd June 2014, the area was separated from the northwestern part of Andhra Pradesh as the newly formed state with Hyderabad as its capital. Its other major cities include Warangal, Nizamabad, Khammam, Karimnagar and Ramagunda. The terrain of Telangana region consists mostly of hills, mountain ranges and thick dense forests covering an area of 27,292 km square. As of 2019, the state of Telangana is divided into 33 districts. Throughout antiquity and the Middle Ages, the region now known as Telangana was ruled by multiple major Hindustani powers such as the Mauryans, Satavahanas, Chalukyas, Cholas and many others. The economy of Telangana is the 7th largest in India with a gross state domestic product of 9.78 trillion Indian rupees. The state has emerged as a major player for setting up robust IT software, industries and service sector. The territory is also the main administrative center of many Indian defense aerospace and research labs like Bharat Dynamic Limited, Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory, Defense Research and Development Organization and many more. Now that we have understood the various other aspects of the state of Telangana, let us explore the top 5 mega projects lined up to further the economic growth of an already economically strong region. To make it more interesting, we will move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. So 5th in this glamorous list is the Hyderabad Metro Phase 2 expansion. The Hyderabad Metro is a rapid transit system serving the city of Hyderabad, which is the capital of Telangana. It is the second longest operational metro network in India after the Delhi Metro, with 57 stations. A special purpose vehicle company of L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad Limited was established by the construction company L&T to develop the Hyderabad Metro Rail project. Talking about the second phase, the 58-kilometer Hyderabad Metro Phase 2 project is currently in the proposal stage. In February 2020, its detailed project report with 3 new lines and extensions of existing lines was submitted to the Telangana government for approval. As per the latest plan revealed by Hyderabad Metro's MD, the Phase 2 project will include 3 elevated corridors or extensions of the existing lines built in the 67-kilometer Phase 1 project. It hasn't been finalized whether this phase will be developed on the EPC method or on the PPP model, which is the public-private partnership. The cost and completion date remains skewed because the authorities have not put the required reports in the public domain yet, although it is believed that the mega project will only be grounded by 2028. Moving to the 4th mega project is the textile park coming up at the majestic Warangal. Kakatiya Mega Textile Park, which is also referred to as Warangal Textile Park, is a proposed textile park to come up in Warangal rural district of Telangana. The proposed cotton to garment park will be set up in an area of 2,000 to 3,000 acres with a vision to have a fiber to fabric end-to-end facility. The biggest textile park in India's foundation stone was laid on 22nd October 2017 at Shyampet in Gesugunda Mandal of Warangal Rural District by the Chief Minister of Telangana, Kalva Kuntla Chandrasekhar Rao, who is also known as KCR. The Kakatiya Mega Textile Park is located at Shyampet village of Gisakonda Mandal and Chintalapalli village of Sangem Mandal. The Kakatiya Mega Textile Park shall offer industrial space for textile and apparel industry with state-of-art manufacturing facilities and integrated common infrastructure. The park is being developed on a vertically integrated model to cover complete textiles value chain. Along with the 22 firms that signed MOUs with the Telangana government for rupees 3,900 crore investments in the textile park. Tiruvuru Exporters Association has also proposed to set up 10 units in the park. Talking about the job potential, it has the capacity to create 75,000 direct employment and 25,000 indirect employments. The basic concept of the park is to offer complete manufacturing ecosystem for textile and apparel industry within its premises. The 1,190 acres of land is being developed and implemented in a phased manner. As far as the current status of the mega project is concerned, the park is yet to find any huge investments getting grounded, but the government is hopeful that the mega park will be a grand success. Shifting to the third mega project in this glorious list is the Hyderabad Pharma City. Hyderabad Pharma City is the world's largest integrated cluster in Hyderabad for pharmaceutical industries with thrust on R&D and manufacturing. The cluster has been recognized as National Investment and Manufacturing Zone by Government of India. Given its national and international importance, developed at international standards, Hyderabad Pharma City will harness the true value of symbiotic coexistence across pharmaceutical value chain. The project is located about 25 km from the Hyderabad International Airport and has been designed based on the philosophy of work, live, learn and play. HPC is conceived around creating an innovative seeding cluster including establishment of a world-class life sciences university and other centers of excellence. Hyderabad Pharma City offers significant cost and setup time optimization for the pharma industry with its centralized smart infrastructure solutions. HPC will provide a jump-start platform to life sciences companies and help companies move up the value chain. It is expected to attract investment worth $9.7 billion and generate employment to the tunes of 5,60,000 people. Turning our ears and eyes to the second mega project is the Regional Ring Road. The main purpose of this project is to improve the connectivity between Hyderabad and surrounding areas. Therefore, the project will fasten the development of Hyderabad and its surrounding districts. HMDA was the authoritative body who prepared the Regional Ring Road Master Plan. This ring road length is expected to be close to 340 kilometers and 90 meters wide with 6 lanes. The total cost of the project is around rupees 16,000 crore, where 50% to be bared by state and remaining 50% will be bared by the central government. This ring road is being built connecting major towns of Bongir, Malkapur, Agapalli, Kothur, Shadnagar, Shevela, Kaulampet, Narsapur, Tupran and Mulugu. The road connectivity will boost the connectivity in all the nearby towns with Hyderabad. So because of this enhanced connectivity, development of these areas will happen very rapidly. Therefore, citizens can expect many industries, businesses, IT hubs, schools, hospitals and many more in the upcoming years. It is also believed that this huge project will be grounded by the end of 2023. Sitting comfortably in the first position is the iconic Mumbai-Hyderabad bullet train. Mumbai-Hyderabad High-Speed Railway project is a 767km proposed high-speed railway line that will connect Mumbai, Pune and Hyderabad through 11 stations in Maharashtra and Telangana at a project cost that is yet to be finalized. This is the fifth of 6 new high-speed rail corridors planned by the Government of India in 2019, for which basic tendering activity commenced in October 2020 to start construction on the project. After the completion of this high-speed railway, it will become an epitome of the city of pearls and city that never sleeps. Therefore, the passengers will have a memorable journey as the time gap will reduce considerably without a shade of doubt. With this, we come to the end of the video. After assessing the mega projects in the state of Telangana, it is for sure that the southern state will lead the country in the times to come. There are plenty of other infrastructure developments like the Telangana Thermal Power Plant, Hyderabad Redevelopment Project, and a huge electric vehicle park being developed by the US-based Triton Electric Vehicle. I would request you once again to please like, share and subscribe to the channel to remain updated about various mega projects coming up in various states of India. Also, do not forget to write down in the comment box which was your favorite mega project among the ones we discussed in this video. Coming up next is the economic capital of India, Maharashtra. Let's see what the state has to cater for her citizens. Thank you for watching this video.